Hello, and I want to welcome you to a discussion on minimum and maximum values of quadratic functions. Now, what we've talked about before was finding the vertex whenever they were in standard form and then the standard form of what's right here. So, really what you have to say is to find the vertex, is to find the maximum and minimum. If a is greater than 0, or if a is positive, then x is a minimum. If a is less than 0, then x has a minimum. So x would be negative in that case. A would be negative. So for this example, let's get started by identifying a, b, and c. A has the x squared attached to it, so it's 2 in this case. B has just a regular x, so it's going to be a negative 8. And c has just a regular number, so it's just negative 8. So will it open upward or downward? Since a is positive, it's going to open upwards, giving you a minimum. So now let's find the x equals negative b over 2a, which we've identified as negative times the b, which is going to be negative 8 over 2 times a, which is 2. Simplifying, negative times negative is just going to give you the positive 8 on top, with 2 times 2 is 4 on bottom, so 8 over 4 is just going to give you 2 as the x component. That's going to do x symmetry, and that's going to be the x component where the minimum occurs. Now what you want to do is to take the value we just found and plug in the x value of that number for every value that occurs. So f of 2 equals our original function replacing every x with a 2. So 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 minus 8. So f of 2 equals 2 times 2 squared is 4, minus 8 times 2 is 16, minus 8. If you were to simplify that all the way across, you'd see that f of 2 yields negative 16. This is essentially the 2 times 4, and the negative 8 will cancel out, just leaving you with this middle term of negative 6. So the minimum occurs at 2, negative 16. And you would do the same procedure if you had a downward parabola giving you a maximum.